In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass lock and approve timesheets for a pay period so you can get your employees paid. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Pay Period. From the drop-down menu, select Approvals. If you are logged in under the Enterprise, you'll see a chart with a bunch of different locations. If you're logged in under a specific location, only that location's information will be in this chart. To lock a specific location, click on that location's name and scroll down. A new chart with that location's details will appear. These timesheets have already been locked. To unlock these timesheets, click Unlock. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to do this. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now those timesheets have been unlocked. A green bar has appeared next to Unlock, letting you know how many timesheets were affected. Now these timesheets can be edited. If you don't want these timesheets to be edited, click Lock. Again, TeamWork 5 is going to ask if you do want to do this. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now these timesheets are locked and can no longer be edited. If you are logged in under a specific location, there will also be an Approve button next to these Lock and Unlock buttons. If you're logged in under the Enterprise, that Approve button is up top. So I'm going to scroll back up. At the Enterprise level, Lock and Unlock buttons will also be in the top chart. This allows managers with Enterprise level permissions to lock multiple locations timesheets at once. I'll go ahead and choose Lock, and again click OK. And now all of the timesheets for this company have been locked. If you're ready to approve your timesheets, click Approve. Again, if you're logged in under the specific location, your Approve button will be down by the second chart. If you're logged in under your Enterprise, it'll be up at the top chart. I'm going to click Approve. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to approve these timesheets. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now those timesheets have been approved. After your timesheets have been approved, two new buttons will appear. One is the Undo Approve button. If you did that by mistake or you need to make an adjustment, you can click that button and all of the timesheets will be unapproved. If you are ready to complete this pay period and get your employees paid, click the Complete button. I'll go ahead and choose Complete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to complete this pay period. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that pay period has been completed. If you want to undo the completion, you can click the Undo Complete button. That's how you can lock, approve, and complete a pay period in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to export payroll data for a specific pay period.